Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another product review video. It's already out of the box, but the product is right here in front of us. This is going to be for the Swissdigital Design Java Backpack. Right off the bat, it looks very nice and it has a lot of cool features. We're going to go through it. Swissdigital Design sells at Costco, and I will also have you linked in the description box below for the link where you can pick it up if you don't have a Costco membership. I'm not sure if they sell all the different models through Costco, but they also have a massaging backpack I am reviewing next, so stay tuned for that review. So make sure you're subscribed and thumbs this video up, and stay tuned for that next backpack. There is a laptop compartment, and this backpack also does have RFID protection with the capable means of smart charge. All right, so let's go ahead and look through it. Let's go ahead and pack it and see what it looks like. Okay, let's take a closer look at the backpack here. First, we're gonna start with the back side here. And it's actually really cool because you have a center strap here, which definitely takes off some weight off your shoulders, being able to clip that in, put a little bit more weight on your chest area there. So it does have a center clip here. And as we open it up here, it's nice and mesh and ventilated material on the inside there. That is awesome, especially if you have this thing loaded up with all your laptop gear. I'm a YouTuber, so I take my laptop, I take my mouse, I take my microphone and everything. So my backpack is nice and heavy for my flights. So you have 3 square ventilated areas here. Nice little pad here for the lower lumbar, which actually opens up right here to be able to slip that over the top of your carry-on luggage. That's a great design. And then you have another square here, a ventilated pad, and then one up here as well with a little bit of give to it there. Each handle, again, is ventilated material there as well. You have, of course, your handle right on the top, your straps right here, and all those straps are adjustable here, here, and in the center here as well. You do also have a side handle on it right here. That's cool. I've never seen that on a backpack before, but that is nice. If you just instead want to fling it over your shoulders, grab it by the side handle right here, pick that up and go. All right, coming to the top of the backpack here, we have an anti-theft little hook here, which is kind of cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this comes out and there's a little hook that has a little clip right here, and that hook comes out. So you guys can clip that in for anti-theft. All right, let's go ahead and come down this side here. We have one pull zipper from the anti-theft area here that comes down. And what's cool is this backpack is black and neon green here, which makes it look really cool. So let's get that zipper all the way down and take a look at it. So that zipper once again goes from the top all the way here to the bottom. As we open it up to the side here, and this is where, nice little Velcro there. So the first slot right here has a nice big area right there for your laptop. And then you go ahead and set something there. Your next foldable trap right here would be a small, like a tablet or something like that here. And the third slot after your Velcro tab, where you would have your tablet, is huge. You'd be able to fit a big, beefy 17-inch laptop in this center console here. So your 15.7 right here, your tablet right here, or your 17-inch laptop right here in this slot here. Over here on this wall of the backpack here, we have our RFID protection right here. So you could have your wallet right here, you could have your credit cards with a little Velcro strap right there, and that is RFID protected slot right there. So that's gonna do it for that zipper. Let's go ahead and zip that one back up, put our Velcro back on. That comes up to the top there, and let's go ahead and bring the backpack around to this side. We're gonna stay on this side a little bit. We open this side up here. So this zipper compartment right here is meant for your shoes, because this is actually a travel backpack slash almost like carry-on here. So you have your shoes here, your laptop right over here. This can be your overnight travel bag. Airlines are charging a lot of money for your checked-in bag. So if you want to run a nice weekend flying somewhere, or even throw this in the car. So that's great. You have a little shoe compartment there. So coming to the top front portion of it here, let's go ahead and open up this top one here and here. Pulling that up, here is your shoe bag right here. So if you're not going to be using your shoe bag, that can go ahead and fold up to the left side of the backpack there. And we have a huge area here. What makes this more cooler is right on the top here. We're going to go ahead and unzip that, and this comes all the way around, all the way to the bottom here, and it unfolds just like that there. So we saw on the interior portion, and we unzip this here. This folds down. This is your area we just saw right here. So you have access to all this in a couple different areas, folding it all the way open, or coming just from the top portion here. That folds back, that zips up, dirty laundry, whatever you want. Or this zipper here, you could put something in there, toiletries, some dirty laundry, whatever you want. Maybe you want to put that in the ventilated area here. Another zipper pocket right up here. This thing is really sweet. This one again folds up, zips up there. We're gonna come back and we're gonna go ahead and zip that bad boy up. This is actually perfect for, I'm already thinking Frontier Airlines. They charge me $30 per direction. And up here in the top right corner, you have your USB connection right there. You will need to provide your own power bank, but it has the capable means of clicking in right there. Here, you have your water bottle area or something that you need waterproof, umbrella or water bottle, it's stating there, with a nice deep pocket. And that's on the opposite side. It's on the right-hand side if you're looking at the logo here. Underneath, we have a very nice material there, so you can throw that around, keep that nice as you're going about your travels. All right, we got 2 more pockets to go. Now we have this one right here next to the USB input right here, which brings us to the other end of the cable. That's where you would plug in your power bank here, and then you would connect while you're working at the airport or station right here. This might be a little tough to see on camera, but we have another deep slot here. Looks like cell phone slot, wallet slot, 2-pin slots here, and another kind of thinner slot right here, maybe for your cell phone, because there's a little bit of felt on this side of it, nylon on that side. That closes back up, but of course you would use one of those slots for your power bank as well. And lastly is going to be this zipper right on the front here, left side of the logo, and you're going to have another deep slot here, being able to put whatever you want there. All right, we got this thing loaded to the gills. I got my Bible over here, I got my charger over here, I got my GoPro case, my microphone case, I got my massage gun right here in this pocket right here. It bundles up. That top one zips up. I got my 15.6-inch laptop right here. That straps in. That zips up. I got 2 pairs of Nike shoes right here. Actually, well, one pair, but 2 shoes in the side compartment right there. Let's go ahead and zip that bad boy up. Fine looking backpack, folks. That's a fine looking backpack. And then just adjust the straps so the weight is up on your shoulders. And then hopefully I don't mess around with my microphone because my microphone's right here. But then again, if you want to take a little bit of weight off your shoulders, strap it in the middle here with this strap here, and we are all set to go. We are all set for the airport, all set for my weekend travels. Folks, that is an all-in-one travel weekender backpack right there. I'm definitely looking forward to giving this a run. So I will also include in the description box below a power bank as well, so you guys can charge while you're traveling. But super cool, save some money on luggage, pack this backpack to the gills, use your provided strap if you're really heavy. You could even backpack across Europe with this. You vloggers, YouTube travel vloggers, put some camera gear in there. Overall, thumbs up in my book. And also stay tuned for my video of the Swissdigital Design massaging backpack as well. Stay tuned for that video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you make an informed decision of the design, what you get with the backpack. Look for those links once again below. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.